Good day, everyone. Today is September 26, 2025. This is part number one. We have plenty of economic reports today set to be released, starting with the PCE and then ending with the consumer sentiment. All very important reports, starting at 8:30 a.m., finishing by 10 a.m. Therefore, we'll be watching those reports and their impact on the markets. Now, as far as gold, it's been moving within $50 a day. S&P also $50 a day on average from high to low based on the last 9 days. NASDAQ 280 points a day. We always set our loss at a maximum of 40% of those ranges. We don't like to lose more than 40% of that range on the entry, from the entry point of any given trade. That's our max loss, given that we have a full position on board. If we have a small position and we are accumulating, that's a different story. At the end of the day, we don't want to lose too much. And that's how we set what too much is. We usually don't want to go beyond that 40% from our entry, 40% of that average range. So as far as today is concerned, it's like any other day. 80% of the days, the markets stay within their average range. So we expect, if we don't know anything else, 80% of the time, markets will trade between 80 and 100% of their true range on any given day from high to low. However, because today we have plenty of economic reports and it's Friday, so volatility might be increased. So I would not be surprised if today we eclipse those average ranges. Okay, we just don't know which way. We will know more a little bit later today. So come closer to 10 a.m., we will have a full picture in which direction we will take. Because keep in mind, whether we're bullish, bearish, or sideways, each direction has its own set of tools. We apply different tools, different strategies, depending on what we think the market is looking like, whether uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. But at the end of the day, we always manage the risk the same way. It's going to be maximum of 40% of the average range based on the last 9 days. So I finished by saying your loss should not exceed $20 on the S&P, should not move, that is $20 move against you. It should not exceed $20 move on XAU against you, and it should not exceed $110 move against you on the NASDAQ. And you can apply those same principles to any other market. It should not exceed that. Now, that's assuming you're what we call a position day trading. If you're a scalper, and I don't recommend you being a scalper because you're competing against robots, then it's a different methodology altogether. However, for position day trading, looking ahead anywhere from 1 hour to 5 hours ahead, that's the best strategy I found for us to use. Anyway, we will come back today before 10 a.m. Eastern time, and we will talk about what is the best direction that we are taking for each of those markets. Until that time, I wish everyone the best of luck, and thank you.